Hello everyone. Today's story is The Magical Glasses. Author Padma Parna Ghosh. Illustrator Sayan Mukherjee. Publisher Pratham Books. A level 3 story. Now let's get started with the story. Tejas, look at what I have made. Miriam tells her brother. Oh, what is this? Asks Tejas. The tiger does not live in the snow. How silly. Grrr, 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 it does, says Miriam. There is a tiger in Russia that lives and hunts in the snow. Is that so? Says Tejas. Let's check it out. Pass me my magic glasses, Miriam. Ooh, you're right, Miriam, he said. I can see the tiger. It is furrier. Maybe because it is so cold there. The Siberian tiger is different from the Bengal tiger you find in India, though they look similar, says Miriam. It only lives in one part of the world. Just like we love our own home, each animal also loves its own special home and does not like other places, says Tejas. I want to see it. I want to see it, squeals Miriam. Wait, says Tejas, laughing. This isn't high enough for you. I have an idea. Tejas tracks a table and Miriam climbs on top of it. From here we can see many more animals living in their homes around the planet, says Tejas. Durgesh, Mahima, come join us, yells Miriam, calling out to her friends who are passing by. Oh, what is it? It looks like a sword in the water, says Durgesh, clambering on top of a bucket. That, says Miriam, is the unicorn of the sea. It only lives in the waters in the northernmost part of our earth, the Arctic. It is cold and dark but home for the narwhals. How do you know so much, asks Tejas, smiling. Miriam shrugs and says, books. Oh, Mahima jumps up and says, I read this story about an animal called the orangutan, but I don't know what it looks like. The great ape of Indonesia and Malaysia, says Miriam, swinging her glasses towards the east. Here you go, Mahima squeals. The orangutan is eating a fruit and has a baby that is just like me. Okay, now a quick question, says Tejas. Can anyone tell me what this animal is? Durgesh says zebra. Miriam says a deer. Mahima says a buffalo. Now who is correct? Let's find out. Tejas giggles. None of these. It is the okapi that lives only in a few forests of Africa. Durgesh looks up and says, Can I have another turn? Sure, says Tejas. What is that? It has strange blue feet. Let me see, says Miriam, pulling at the glasses. Ah, yes, that is the blue-footed booby, a fantastic bird that lives in South America and does funny dances. It is getting dark now. I am hungry, says Miriam. No, one more, everyone says. Okay then, one last one, Tejas says. Durgesh says with a grin, I have an extra special animal in mind, so two more. Tejas says, look at this. This is the kiwi bird from New Zealand in the southern hemisphere. They are the only birds to have nose holes, just like ours, at the end of their very long beaks. They dig and use their noses to find insects and fruit to eat. Thank you, says Durgesh. Also, my mother told me this story once. I think it was about a loris. Ah, yes, the Sri Lankan loris. It has beautiful silver hair on its tummy and eyes in the front just like us, says Miriam. But we cannot see it now. It is active in the night. But we can always come back tomorrow, says Mahima. Okay, Tejas claps his hands. Time for us and the animals to go home. Do you think all the animals are going home too? Yes, Miriam. Each one to its own special home in a unique part of our world. The 7 animals you have met live in different parts of the world. Here's a map that shows you where they live. You may not have magic glasses like Tejas, but you can still see the animals here. Look at this map and find out where these different animals live in this entire world. Yes, you can figure them out from the illustration given here. Now let's read about them. Narwhal. These sea animals live in icy Arctic waters found in Canada, Greenland, Norway and Russia. Kiwi. These birds live in a range of habitats from woodlands to scrubland, sand dunes and mangroves found in New Zealand. Sri Lankan loris, also called the red slender loris. This shy creature lives in trees in wet tropical areas found in Sri Lanka. Siberian tiger. This big cat lives in mixed forests, which are often very cold, found in Russia and China. I hope you've got a great knowledge about these 4 animals now, which we were not aware of earlier, and also about where do they live. Now the next animal is okapi. This creature likes dense forests found in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Orangutan. These primates spend their whole lives atop rainforest trees found in Malaysia and Indonesia. Blue-footed booby. Most of these birds live on the Galapagos Islands, also found in California and Peru. I hope you have got to know about so many new animals now. Thank you, children.